to another glamorous episode of Making of the Kingfisher Calendar 2021. This week, we transport you across the backwaters of Kerala to get that perfect shot and a whole lot of oomph and style with our models. The first model of the day is Anukriti Vas. Let's get started with hair and makeup.
Hello, hi. It's day 2 of Kingfisher Calendar 2021 and I can't tell you how excited I am because this is officially my first bikini shoot and it's with Kingfisher and I can't be more excited about this.
Anukriti has amazingly beautiful skin, so she doesn't require a lot of foundation, which is great because it's hot during the day. And so basically it's very beautiful, fresh, clean skin. Luminous and glowing, and a little bit of bronzer, beautiful eyes, just a little bit of shimmer, and just to pull them up, beautiful mascara and all, and natural lips. SPF 50, sun protection, which is very, very important, and it's a thin layer which I can apply on top of the makeup.
Perfect, thank you.
Gorgeous.
Thank you so much.
It's always important to check your makeup on the daylight, as this is very different, and you can precisely see all the little details.
Hey guys!
Hey!
Oh, beautiful!
Hi.
I love the look. She's ready for the hair?
Yes, she's ready.
Okay, wonderful. So, it's my turn now.
Your turn.
Here we go. We're gonna make like super like hairstyle.
I just got done with my makeup and Flavion's giving me natural curls and I can't wait for the look to be done and I can't wait to shoot. I have no idea about the location or of what I'm wearing and I think it's a surprise.
Oh, we're going to see some images by the boat. This famous boat of Kerala, houseboat. So that's going to be really great. And a lot of amazing, beautiful images.
When you're in Kerala, looking for a houseboat isn't too hard. A short drive away from the hotel, and here we are. The first set for the day, a beautiful houseboat. It's true, whoever said Kerala is God's own country. Abundance of the lush greens, beautiful backwaters, a houseboat all to yourself, and a crew that is determined to bring you the best calendar you've ever seen. And when everything around you seems so perfect, you can't help but break into a dance.
Welcome to another exciting episode of the Making of the Kingfisher Calendar 2021. We're in the backwaters on a gorgeous houseboat and I am feeling the vibe of this place. The first shot of the day is with Anukriti Vyas. She's really working that yellow bikini and making it look so effortless and hot. I see how much she's struggling, but she's looking so bomb and I'm really enjoying watching her from here. I can't wait to go in and check out what's happening in there. Till then,
come out more, much more. Yeah, sit on top. Yeah, this works. If you think it's better where we are a little ahead of all the other houseboats, you see that gap over there? If it's better to be in that gap area, that's fine. So then, I'll get houseboat, pani, come please. Come on. Somebody hang on to me and if I'm falling, save the camera. Lovely, yaar. Nice, I want you to feel the breeze, just feel this. Keep it very easy, like you do this all the time with zero risk. This arm is dead straight, that arm is dead straight. So that arm also, while you extend it, keep a slight bend. Straight elbow, locked elbow never looks good, yeah? Nice, look at me. Work your look from here to here. Don't look inside, it's too dark in. Look at me, eyeballs are going too far. Nice, look just off camera here somewhere. Yeah, hint of a smile is good. Bend that arm a little bit, too straight. The upper one, yeah, lovely, lovely, lovely. Little bit of a smile. Right here, just rotate shoulder towards me. Hanji.
At some point when you feel you have this, she can have her feet here. She can extend her whole body out. It
Sure.
keeps her feet here. You know what I mean? She holds on to this. You put your legs here, but you can have your whole body out. You can try if you're comfortable. You can swim, right?
No.
You don't know how to swim? Okay,
I would fall.
We'll have 10 people jumping in, don't worry.
Just see if you can now stand outside. Now just bend that elbow, bend that elbow, bend that. Fan please, fan please, fan please.
You can watch me glow. You can watch me glow.
Looks awkward, yeah. Okay, we got it. Come on. Come on. Let him sail close to this. I just want to shoot plates of the palm trees only. Okay, so just go.
Anukriti's shot at the houseboat was absolutely stunning. We had the backwaters of Kerala and this amazing houseboat. She was hanging off of the houseboat actually, but wearing a bright yellow bikini, and it looked stunning. I think we have a beautiful shot there.
Slide your right leg back a bit.
Into the beat, smiling distant strangers, winking on my feet. That I see
Very nice. I like that angle of the head tilt. Yeah.
in your eyes. Oh, my body's frozen and my soul's on fire. Just follow me, baby. Pulling at me with a foxy move.
Now look at me. Don't look so far away.
My body's a boat sailing through the wind. I give love.
Anukriti Vats really rocked this houseboat quite literally. It's now time to catch up and find out how she did it all.
Anukriti, your first day at the Kingfisher Calendar 2021. How excited are you?
I'm really, really excited. I think I was a little nervous before the shoot started, and when it started, I think they all made me really, really comfortable, and I really enjoyed shooting.
So you've done like 2 shots, right? And which is your favorite out of the 2?
I think I would say the first shot because it was a little hard to do, but then I loved the pictures.
But
so
babe,
I
you
love
made it look so effortless. I know what a struggle that is over there, but that looked really good on you. You made it look effortless. Didn't look like this was your first time.
I was having fun.
I loved the green bikini on you. It just complemented with your complexion and everything. Tell me about it.
I think that shot was really relaxed. I was just lying down and I was having fun and I was really liking the bikini. So I think that is also my favorite.
Right, after all that roughing up and everything, that was definitely your preferred shot, right? Yeah.
Preferred shot.
Yeah, nice. They were very happy with your pictures.
Thank you.
You're a South Indian too, right?
Yeah.
Happy to be in South India?
Yes, I am from Kerala, but then I was born and brought up in Tamil Nadu. So I don't really come often to Kerala. I only come on holidays, so it feels home
How
back
cool.
here in Kerala. So yeah, I'm having fun.
So exciting, so exciting. Good stuff, Anukriti. I'll see you around.
Yes.
See you.
Back in the hotel property, location scouting is on full gear. Atul has found this beautiful water body and looks like the next shot will be framed right here on the raft.
So we just got done with that beautiful boathouse shot, and now we're back in our beautiful property, which I absolutely adore.
Team Hair and Makeup are on their toes constantly, coming up with super stylish and innovative looks.
Let's go see what Atul is doing. He's found a boat over here. How amazing is that? And I think he's shooting Kritika, who's looking absolutely bomb.
The shot is ready, and so is our model Kritika Babu, in an uptight bun and a bright orange bikini bottom. She looks like a modern-day warrior princess.
Just taking a test shot, please. Okay. Yeah. So hold on. Just give me a look here. Turn your body this way like you're pushing it away from the shore. Nice. Work your face this way, yeah? Interesting. Try it. Just see what you're getting. Relax for a second.
Quick checks on the clicks and Atul has a slight change in plans.
Okay, stop. Now this angle, this same angle, come closer. Just see the top light, is it centered to you? Fine? Okay, show time again. Interesting. Try it. Lift your heel, please, the back heel. Keep your head straight, don't let it loll, yeah. Just repeat all the stuff you had done earlier, this is nicer lighting. Lovely. Okay, we got it, Coco.
Kritika, second day, first shot. Okay, I'm not being biased here, but you with that orange bikini against that bamboo, supremely stunning.
Yeah, thanks, Shobs. I saw that picture after I got out and I was like, wow.
You're happy?
I'm happy.
Atul seemed really happy too.
Yeah.
He's right there.
Yeah, he was quite happy too.
Everyone looked really pleased. Are you pleased?
I am beyond pleased.
Yeah.
Like, I thought that was awesome. I got there, I got the bamboo stick in my hand. I was like, shit, this is heavy. How am I going to work this? But 2 shots later, 3 shots later, I got more and more comfortable. And I was like, this is my thing.
Yeah.
I started feeling it. It was awesome.
I think so far your favorite shot?
So far, my favorite shot.
Babs, you look like an Egyptian goddess out there. Seriously.
Thanks,
I
Shobs.
loved it. I'm so proud of you, Babu. Can't wait. So you're done?
I'm done for the day. The sun's down. There's just one more shot with the other girl
Okay.
left. And I'm good to go.
I saw you at the gym yesterday. I think I'm going to see you there again.
Yes, at the gym. We will see
Okay,
each
let's
other.
go do it, girl.